औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn about that how to calculate age using frac function. This function, we have to use this function and we will calculate the age. This is your employee data. Employee name is over here in the first column. In the second column I've inserted start date, or you can say it's a DOB, date of birth. Here's the today's date, and in the last column I've calculated your actual age till today. Today is 13 Feb. So till today I have calculated these ages. So let's see how to calculate these ages using YearFrac function. Okay, stay with us. Now let's start. Okay, I'm going to erase this all. Okay, then how to take start? First of all, you need to click here in this cell. It's J7. Now after that you need to put is equal to sign, and it will also reflect in the formula bar. So here you have to type YearFrac. It will appear over here. Double click on it. Now he's asking for the start date. So where is the start date? Here is the start date. Date of birth of Mr. Faisal Jali. Just click here. Okay, now what's next? Now comma, you need to insert a comma over here, and after that the end date. End date is, you can, instead of end date, you can even put the today function. So I'm going to add over here today function. Okay, it will give you the today's date, this one, this date. Okay, now after that you have to select the basis, comma. Now actual are 365 days, so I'm going to click on actual. Now close it. Now press enter from your keyboard, and it will calculate your actual date till today. Okay, starting from this date till this date, till 13 Feb 2020. Okay, I want to convert this into integer form. It's in decimal, 50 point something. Okay, now I have to just put over here in the formula bar. Just click here and use int function. Int function will do what? It will convert this into a integer, and it will ignore the rest of the decimal points. Okay, decimal numbers. Now press enter over here. That's it. That's how you calculate the age using YearFrac function. Thank you very much. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have some suggestion, please leave in the comment area. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.